So welcome to another video. I thought I would do a short video about things I have thrifted lately. If this is your first time on one of my videos, welcome. I make a lot of content about sustainable slow fashion, so I do lots of content around that, and this video is all about pieces that I have thrifted lately. So it would be great to have you if you'd like to subscribe if you enjoy my content. So I was away at the start of January. I went to a few different places. I filmed a little bit. I didn't film too much, but to be honest, I'm so bad at filming like in public. So I started like showing you what shops I was going into, but I just really couldn't film inside. So I hope that's okay. I thought instead what I do is I do this introduction, I'll show you what I got and we can go through it then. It was really cold when I was away, so I was definitely kind of thrifting a lot more, like knitwear and that kind of thing. For me, like when I go to a new city, I love to thrift and kind of go on my Google Maps and kind of pinpoint the different places I want to visit. And I actually get to see quite a lot of the city that way because I do a lot of walking and kind of maybe dedicate a day to going to all the shops. So I think I got some really lovely bits. I also got lots of fabrics, which I'm going to use for my summer collection. A lot of like different coloured lace. I'll show you the pile of everything. Okay. So this is everything. Ooh, it fell. This is everything that I thrifted. I find it can be quite hard to kind of find nice vintage fabric in Dublin, so it was quite nice to go away and kind of find all this amazing fabric too. So yeah, I'll show you the footage of me being away now, and then when we come back I will show you what I got. so I hope you enjoyed what footage I got. I can't really remember what I got, but as I said, I wasn't really wearing anything that fun or exciting because it was just so snowy, and I'm not really used to like snowy weather, so I was just trying to keep warm for most of the time. But I'll go through what I got and I'll show you, and there is quite a bit to get through. So I thought I would show you, these are the piles of bits that I got. I'll go through them all one by one, but just so you can see from this angle too. I've got lots of different textiles and kind of types of fabrics going on. A lot of knitwear, sequin, beads, more knitwear, and then we've got some glitter, some beautiful wool pieces, and then lots and lots of lace. So yeah, let's go through them. Okay, so let's start off with this scarf. I got a good bit of knitwear, and this is like this pastel baby pink colored scarf. I think it's hand knit, and I love finding like hand knit stuff, so I thought that this would be really nice just for styling and adding like a pop of color to an outfit. I'm just wearing it, I suppose, in different ways. That, yeah, so I really like this scarf. And then I also got this clip. This is one of the first things that I got. I don't know if that's focusing, but yeah, it is covered in beads, and it's kind of like a clip, one of those clips. And I think it's just going to be really fun to play with and figure out how to style with. Sorry, my camera cut out there, but yeah, this was around €3, and the scarf was around €2. And then I think I got some footage of trying on this beret. I thought it was so cute. It's got these little diamante details. Let's try it on for you. I think it's going to be really fun to kind of bring like some color and fun into an outfit. So that was one of the hats I got. I've actually got so many hats. I think this one was €2. Same shop, I also got this hat, which looks pretty hand knit, and it's got all these lovely blue colours on it. I wore this quite a bit over there, so I think I might be wearing it in some of the videos. Okay, then some clothes that I got. I think I filmed this skirt that I saw and I picked up. I just really liked the detail of like the ruffle at the end. It's kind of like this glitter fabric, and just the red and black together I thought was really interesting. It's kind of like a stretchy skirt, and definitely way more for summer, but I think it was something like €3, so I picked it up. And then the same shop I got this skirt, which is so lovely. It's like this kind of brown striped wool skirt with all these different tones. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but it's got like a blue speckle and then like an orangey speckle with the green colour, and I think this is going to be so nice to style with. It's also got pockets, which are such a bonus. Yeah, I just think this is a really nice piece, and when you kind of find a staple like a wool or like a well-made thing, good fabric, it's always good to pick up. And I can't remember, I'm going to say this was probably around €6. Then I got this top, which is so fun, and I really can't wait to style this. It's got kind of like a pole neck, and then it goes low, and it's not got sequins on the back, it's just on the front, but they're these lovely square sequins, which I love. Kind of like flat big sequins. I love how the light hits them, so I'm really looking forward to styling this. I'm thinking you know, summer with some denim shorts, or just as like a layering bit, but also I could use it like under a sheer dress, and yeah, I just really can't say no to sequins. And this I think was, again, like maybe €3 or something, and yeah, really like this piece. That is the brand. I don't know if you'd be able to find it. Rise. I don't know if that is maybe early 2000s, but yep. Right, then I have one other skirt that I thrifted. So there's no brand on this piece, so I can't tell you who it's by, but when I saw it, I was like, that's so cool. I really like the button details. They're nearly like ceramic buttons. And then at the front it's got these two little pocket buttons there, and then it's checked with all these embroidered flowers. Yeah, so I think that is a really lovely piece, and looking forward to styling it. It's kind of like a color combination you don't really see that often, with like the brown and the blue. So I think there's going to be so many ways to style that, and yeah, I'm really excited to figure that out. Okay, so that is all the clothes, and then I'll just end by showing you all the fabrics that I got. So there is my pile of fabrics that I picked up when I was away. I think I might have a little bit of footage of me finding it and going through. And most of these are kind of net or lace curtains. I use a lot of that in my like skirts, my collections, and I've got some really nice lace. So I got this one, which hopefully you can pick up with the camera's not destroying it completely, but yeah, it's a lace with this lovely floral design, and I think that's going to be really nice for making sleeves or something like that. And then I got another one which is so cute with this duck pattern on it, which will definitely be made into a skirt, and I think I had a fabric similar before which was really popular. So yeah, I'm really excited to use this. I'm gonna go fast because my camera is about to die. And then the other fabrics I got were this lilac lace, this kind of blush pink lace, another kind of blush pink lace, and a more peachy lace all together there. So I'm really excited to use all of these for my spring and summer collections, so keep a lookout for them. Okay, so that is everything that I thrifted. As I said, I make a lot of content like this. I love thrifting, I love talking about sustainable fashion, so if you're interested in that too, please subscribe, give the video a like, and I will catch you in the next one. Hopefully this is going to be a really exciting year. So thanks, bye.